Welcome to RC Design Build, and in this video today we're looking at how to make your Losi Micro B or your Losi Micro T pop, right? How do you make your vehicle stand out from the others at your race or in your community or just to yourself, right? What is available to kind of make our Losi stand out from the others? Well, I've got a few things. So we're going to take a look at some very simple ones, and I'm going to take a look at a more complicated one. So let's just get right into it. Let's just start with the most complicated one, right? But it is the most attention-grabbing one. And that is our Proline Baja Bug Body. Now on this particular one, I went with everything that they included, including two different sets of decals that you can add to this. This particular set had less red, so I wanted to paint my body itself red and do a little less red in my decals. So as you can see, this is a completely solid painted red body. The wing is separate. It has on the back there this little cutout that actually does add some weight to whenever this thing is ramping. Thick piece, and then you cut out this piece after you've painted it, and you peel the film, and then you attach all your stickers here. So more complicated and much more time consuming than the other things that we're going to look at today. Of all the things that we're going to focus on, this one will definitely get everyone looking at your Losi Micro T. Find them real quick, but there they are. This is the other set of decals that could have went on here instead of this set. As you can see, more red. I wanted to stick with something that had more of the white, more of the blue in it. So for my particular body, I chose to use this set. Obviously, there is another set available. Next thing we're going to take a look at is these wheel stickers. And actually, they make these wheel stickers in a few different patterns. This particular one is called the perforated. But on each one of them, they offer 4 different sets of colors. And this one, it had blue, it had red, it has black, and it has white. Super, super easy to do. What I chose to do on mine too is, if you look, there's an upgrade RC label right there. And on our tires, there's actually the upgrade RC. So what I ended up doing is sticking that label right over where the raised lettering is. So it doesn't sit smooth flat, but there is that little gap in case you ever do want to remove these from your wheels. We got these neat little wheel stickers on all 4 of ours, the blue to match the blue and the red to match our red. So for my particular Losi Micro T, I have a red scheme, obviously. So I'm going to add in these red wheel nuts, who are by Upgrade RC. A very simple one here. I see decals. So very simple. It says clean, peel, apply, align, and apply smoothly. First thing we're gonna do, I haven't done it yet. We're gonna do it right now. Take ourselves a Clorox wipe. And we're just gonna get all the dirt and everything, because it comes all the way to the back here. Make sure everything's nice and clean, and I've already tightened down these screws, so I know they're good. All right, we'll let that dry real quick. We got the red wheel nuts on there. It's nice and dry and clean, so we're going to peel the decal. Front, back. There it is. There are many things that you can do, and you don't have to ever do all of them. You know, a lot of what I do on this channel, and forget channel, a lot of what I do in life, and that's really what I was about to talk about. You know, I went today to the hobby shop and to practice, right? I like to go practice as much as I can, and Saturday is not available. Sunday, out of my 2 days off, is the only day I can go by there and practice. And so, you know, I take these two guys because neither one of them drive the same. I don't ever want to practice with just one and not get used to the other. You know, I took this because these are a brand new tire that just came out by the same company that does, you know, they did quite a few of the upgrades that we looked at in this video. And so I really wanted to test these tires out because I want to keep it as stock as much as possible because I want to enter it back into that super stock competition. Not to post about it. I just want to do it for my own personal benefit. So let me get to what I'm trying to say. So people are in there shopping, but they come over to where I'm at and they watch. And this thing it draws attention all by itself just because of how good it looks. And that's the number one compliment I get, is it's a great body. So the two kids were with their fathers, and you know, they're very interested in it, and they're watching, and they asked it, like, hey, can we watch? I'm like, sure, go right ahead. But it's the attention to this, and this is why I named this channel this, and it's why, even though in a very overcrowded space, I want to continue to give people ideas and give people innovations, because that's what the design is, you know, and the build is you have done it. I don't want to ever tell anyone anything that I haven't done. This channel is good for designing and building your RC in your unique style based upon the ideas that are. When it comes to YouTube itself, I have made mistakes. I've deleted videos which I didn't realize, deleted out watch time, and I didn't realize it accounted for everything. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to put the subscribe over here. Because you have a subscribe, they require that you add a video or playlist.